Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I wanted to show you how to quickly rearrange your artboards in Illustrator. So if you go to File, Document Setup, Edit Artboards, here we can press Option key on Mac and we can manually drop new artboards anywhere on the canvas. If we go down to Artboards in the Properties menu, we can also click the plus icon on the bottom and that's going to add a new one right next to the last one. If we go to File, Document Setup, Edit Artboards, we can see that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. However, we may have content on, say, Artboard 4 that we'd like to be positioned in Artboard 2. We can manually drag content off and on artboards, but then we risk having complex information being misaligned or missed or dropped off somewhere. So the safest way to do this is go down to the Artboards menu. If we were to drag Artboard 5 and move that up to between Artboard 1 and 2, that now makes Artboard 5, or we can see in the top left corner, that's now essentially Artboard 2 if we were to export this as a PDF. But as we can see, working like this way can be quite confusing, going from 1, 3, 4, 5 and 2. So what we need to do is click this icon down the bottom left to rearrange all artboards, or we can use this icon up here. You can access the same properties. Click Rearrange All Artboards. Here we can select columns of 3, 4, as many as we want. To see the difference, I'm going to select 3. We can add a space in between each artboard of 10mm. And remember to have Move Artwork with Artboard selected. Select OK. And now it's going to rearrange our artboards, and we can see now it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And it's that simple. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next one.